Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Let's make a fun fold card with the From the North Pole paper pumpkin kit. Start with 2 pieces of basic white 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. Score the short side at 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, and 1 inch. Turn the piece 180 degrees and repeat the scoring at 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, and 1 inch. Cut another piece of basic white 3 3/4 by 11 inches and score at 5 inches and 10 inches. Emboss a piece of mint macaron 2 inches by 4 inches with a snowflake pattern from the Wintry 3D embossing folder. Fold on the score lines as shown to make a Z fold. Then open the piece with a 1 inch flap folded back at the top and stamp candy canes down the right hand side. I inked the stamp with Versamark ink first, then cherry cobbler ink. Once all the candy canes are stamped, sprinkle them with clear embossing powder and heat set. Flip the piece over and apply adhesive to just the bottom section. Center the piece over the plain 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch base and adhere. Apply dimensionals to the back of the embossed mint macaron piece and center it between the vertical score lines as shown. Add a banner flag of Pool Party 1 1/4 by 3 1/4 inches. Then add a glittery snowflake from the kit and top it off with a candy cane. And last but not least, a happy holiday sentiment. Add adhesive to the 1 inch flap and line up the decorated front and adhere. I couldn't resist throwing some fine sparkle gems on the front. And there you have it, an extended message area. For more projects, please visit my website